All right, as you can see, I got my door card off. It's pretty easy to pop off. I have new handles. As you can see, the old one is super faded. And also new covers as well. The speaker adapter and everything is holding up good. So I'm gonna pop this off, which is pretty easy. You just pull up on the tab and then you pull up on the back one. So I'm gonna pop this off, and then after that I will throw on the door card and show you what it looks like, show you how to install the switches and everything. So give me a minute. All right, so I put on the new handle. Looks good, not as faded. As you can see, there's 2 screws here. Underneath are 3 screws, and then you're able to grab on the bottom and lift up. Oh, sorry, there's a screw in here, and then just pry up with a interior tool to pop this off. There's 2 plugs, and then the door card comes off. So this is new door card with covers and then handle. Here's my old one. As you can see, it's still pretty nice, but had a couple little like tears and stuff, so replaced it with one that had a little less damage. So I'm gonna do the passenger handles, and then little little cup holder things, or whatever, little hand holder things to close it. I'm gonna do the passenger side next. Just waiting on the handle part to come in. So looks pretty good. On to the next.